My name is Marie Ainem Babas, and I'm happy to be working with the Makerere Innovation and Incubation Center. I thank them for the work they're doing. My main contribution in the session focused on value proposition, or creating the value for the business, which is the core for any business, either it's operating directly to consumers or working with existing other businesses and serving them either as a supplier or as an intermediary. Focused on helping these businesses identify who their customer is, and that they are able to produce what we call a customer profiling by understanding what kind of work or what kind of task is the customer trying to get done every time they're looking for their kind of solution, what kind of challenges they experience, and what kind of expectations or benefits they're trying to